Good morning all. Today we are going to start with the fifth unit which deals with the grammar section or the grammar portion which carries 8 marks. In the second sem examination, the grammar topics which you have is articles, prepositions, conjunctions and interjections. Today we would be dealing with articles which carries 3 marks. अब कैसे क्वेश्चन आएगा वो पहले बता देते हैं, उसके बाद में we are going to move with the articles one. Now 3 marks articles would be asked. 3 marks would be given for prepositions and 2 marks would be for interjections and conjunctions one. So today we are going to move ahead with the topic that is the articles one which carries 3 marks from the examination point of view. Today we are going to start with the topic articles which includes or which is in unit number 5th one. An article is an adjective जो modify करते हैं nouns को. In the similar way, again I will repeat, an article is an adjective. Like an adjective, articles also modify nouns. Again I will repeat, an article is an adjective, and just like an adjective, again I will repeat, just like an adjective, articles modifies nouns. Now coming towards, what are the different types of articles? Moving ahead, I'll tell you that you have studied articles from your childhood, but again as this portion is included, so we are going to move ahead. There are 2 types of articles. The, which I've written here, pointed here, the is a specific one, and a and the is a particular article. We are going to move towards certain rules which would help you. पढ़े सभी ने हैं articles अब तक, but which would help you or make it easy to score 3 out of 3. Grammar is just like maths. It is a scoring part of your paper. You can get out of 8 total 8 marks. Here, there is a specific article. A and D is an A and D. A and an is a particular article. Now, remembering certain rules. A plus singular noun beginning with a consonant. अगर कोई ऐसा word है जो singular noun है और वो single है और वो begin करता है, वो alphabet उसका consonant है. For example हमने आगे लिखा है ये singular individual है boy, एक अकेले boy के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. हाँ, ये सिंगुलर नाउन है और इसका फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट जो है वो B है, वो कॉन्सोनेंट है. When such words are there, then you are going to put a before it. A boy, a car, a table. You are going to put a before it. Again I'll repeat. नाउन है, सिंगुलर नाउन है, फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट क्या है, कॉन्सोनेंट है, तो आप क्या पुट अप करोगे, ए पुट अप करोगे. Moving ahead, and कब लगाओगे, and plus अगर सिंगुलर नाउन है with a vowel. अल्फाबेट एक सिंगुलर नाउन है, उसका फर्स्ट जो अल्फाबेट है वो vowel है. अगर कोई वर्ड का फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट vowel है तो you are going to put an. If the first alphabet is consonant of a particular word, you are going to put a. ये एक तरीका है, आप मूव अप कर सकते हो, आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं या पहचान सकते हैं कि ए और एन कहाँ पुटअप करना है. Again I'll repeat. If of a particular word the first alphabet is consonant, then you are going to put A. If of a particular word the first alphabet is a vowel, then you are going to put an. The examples here are elephant, an egg, an apple. Moving ahead to the next one, where do you put A? Again, A तब आप put up करते हैं जब singular noun है beginning with a consonant sound. Singular noun तो है. For example, the word unicycle. It is a singular noun, but it is beginning with a consonant sound. उसका first alphabet जब हम pronounce करते हैं, pronunciation करते हैं, कल ही बताया है. It is pronounced नहीं बोलते, pronunciation है वो word. Pronunciation done है, not noun. It is not noun, it is done there. So when we are going to have a singular noun and the first alphabet, by the first alphabet if the sound comes wide, जैसे uni, यहाँ the pronunciation में the first alphabet beginning with a consonant sound is there. First alphabet say we are getting a consonant sound, unicycle, unicycle, or unicity. ऐसे समय we are going to put the alphabet A. Moving ahead, when do you put an before an H sound which is silent? Now, an plus noun, noun word is a noun, but here the word is an जो alphabet है. When we are going to use that word, we are going to see that H is silent here. R. H का pronunciation नहीं है. It is R. So before such word also we put an. Again I will repeat. If it is a noun, if a word is a noun, alphabet first is H1, which is a silent one. Before that we put an. Moving ahead, if the word, when do we put a, where do we put A? If the first word is a noun which is pronounced with pronounced H, horse, or का उच्चारण है यहाँ pronunciation of that is O. You are going to put before that O. Again moving towards the ones, before any river, before names of rivers, oceans, you always use the specific article that is the. Even before the points on the globe, you use the article the equator. Geographical areas, before geographical areas, the Middle East, the Middle West, you put the specific article. Even before forest, deserts also, you put the article the, which is a specific one, the Sahara, the Gulf, and so on. Before name of any street also, you put the article the Washington, the China. Name of before continents also, you put the word the, because it is specific, the Asia, the Europe. The is also used for non-count nouns. For example, जिन nouns को हम count नहीं कर सकते हैं, it cannot be counted. Those nouns are called non-count nouns. Before those words also you use the word the. The water. The water. Next है, we are going to move ahead. A is used with count nouns. A और an use करते count nouns के साथ. जैसे हम जिस चीज को हम measure कर सकते हैं, जिस चीज को हम count कर सकते हैं, उसके सामने we put a और an. The is used noun का non-count nouns के साथ, and a and an is used for countable nouns. A bottle, we can count it. A one bottle. A new glass, these can count it. A new glass. A new glass means a specific one. A one. A holy book. Now, how would be asked to you in the examination, from the examination point of view, जहाँ 3 mark का आपको articles आने वाला है, either they can give you a sentence, they can tell you to encircle the articles, either they would tell you to fill up the blanks. एक sentence दिया जाएगा, as I've written, Banaras is dash holy city. ऐसा आपको fill in the blanks put up करना होगा, or you would be getting in encircling the articles which would be there for 3 marks. Thank you. Today we would be dealing, tomorrow we would be dealing with exercise 1. Have a good day. Enjoy the day. Be safe and healthy at home.